Hey guys, Reed here with Brothers Box Break again. We're gonna open these Bowman Chrome. Here are the 5 from the value box, and here's the from the booster box. There's only 3 cards in each pack in here. We'll do these 5 first from the value. Fracture mat Legos, nothing. Crap. Actually, crap. Fracture Connor Grumblers for the funk that is. The last one on the value, which weren't too valuable. Yeah, that was the shittiest value box I think I've ever gotten. Right. But now let's get on to the booster. Rick, you wanna help me out there?
This is
the booster
we got right here.
There's only 3 in a pack, dude.
Yeah, thing.
Pop them open. See, I need looking for any autograph.
Ryan Holiday autograph. Eric Hosmer.
Fracture. Nice card there. You got a die cut?
Yeah, die cut James Talent. Hosmer refractor. Pretty cool. Eric Hosmer, one of the hotter rookies. Oh, we got a blue. Jake Peavy. I don't want that. That's not too bad, actually.
What's it out of?
150. That's not too bad. Jake Peavy.
Right there.
Got these 3 assholes. Carlos Garrett, Chris Davis, Carlos Beltran. Ryan Tattoo. Stetson Ali, insert Mark Trumbo, rookie. He's actually not too bad of a rookie.
Yeah, only 3 packs.
Yeah, those 3 cards are packed. But we'll never buy these again.
Quote unquote. We got a die cut. Josh Sale.
Die cut refractor too, looks like. Yeah, Josh Sale. Nothing to write home about, you know. Trevor Cahill, James White, refractor Kurt Suzuki. With him Asian sure can't play some ball, huh?
Sure can.
Edison and a purple. Manny.
Well, that's good. He's a top prospect for him.
The $7.99. Manny Wainwillis. It's the $7.99.
Daniel Hudson.
Daniel Hudson refractor. Mike Davis. Caesar Pro. Nice auto. Ooh, and a redemption. Autograph. Prospects Blue refractor power. Brett Lowry. Do you know who that is, Blake? Brett Lowry? No. The autograph. Pretty cool.
Stetson Alley pitcher.
Stetson Alley. Insert. And the last pack is not a. No.
That is
John Guy.
What kind is that?
Also the insert. Those are the JP, the autograph prospects blue refractor. So y'all, make sure to get at us if you want any of these cards, and please make sure to comment, subscribe, and PM if you want to do any group breaks. We're gonna have some good deals and prizes given away to the people that don't win. So make sure you hit us up and subscribe. Tell your friends.